Good morning, ladies. What are you doing? You just chilling? You guys being good girls? Good girls? Oh, there's Russell. There's Russell. This one Luna, and the older one is Daisy's. They're best of friends. All right. I guess I got to get down to the nitty gritty and put this engine together. I've been kind of putting it off because it sucks, but I've already run into issues. The accessory drive will not fit. So see how this one has 3? This one only has 1. So I got to come up with an alternator situation because my alternator is supposed to bolt. Oh, geez. I don't know, something like that. But there's no bolt holes there. So I got to figure that out. But I'm going to put everything else on, hoping it will work, because I really want a serpentine belt and not a like 2 or 3 V belts. It's a more modern way. But because it's an older engine, that's what's going to happen. But here we go. I'll put this together. It'll be a little montage. All right, I gotta get you guys like situated somewhere. Probably that camera angle sucks. There we go. Don't worry about that. Been hiding all these brand new boxes upstairs. The wife helped me clean. She goes, "What are in all these brand new boxes?" Parts. Brand new parts. All right, we're on like, I don't know, day 6, day 7, day 5. I don't even know. I've been so friggin' busy that I've gotten this far. And we got to keep on going because I'd like to get this thing in this weekend. I don't know if that'll happen or not, but a boy can dream, right? So I'm going to get the flywheel on, the bell housing, and then I think at that point it can sit on its own. I can take it off the crane and then get the carburetor and all that stuff on. So let's get after it. All right, guys. The engine is probably 90% together. I lost you on the very end. I didn't hit record, but I got the risers on and the carburetor and the accessories. I still need to build a bracket or something for the alternator because it's only held on by 1 bolt. So I need to maybe something from here to the exhaust manifold to keep it from warping towards the water pump. Risers are on. I'm missing 1 bolt. I just want to clean it up. I got to put the wires on. I think if I finish these, at least the alternator bracket, we can put it in the boat. But yeah, it's been fun. Little struggles here and there because it's an older block compared to the Vortec, but I'm working my way through it. Oh, sorry about the light. I gotta learn how to hold this stuff. But yeah, shop's clean. Done some work this morning, customer stuff. Supposed to have a customer's motor showing up today, probably tomorrow because of the rain. But yeah, the friggin' yard is full. Boats and boats and boats. Boats, and we'll uncover the Baja tomorrow. Boop. Boop. And get her ready for install. I just want to give the engine compartment a little cleaning before we dump it in. I also got this gantry. This is what I use to lift motors in and right here. It's got little wheels so I can roll it around, get her on flat ground. I picked up a Jeep with it, so I think it's strong enough. I hauled the engine out of that, but we'll get that lined up so I can back the boat right under it and drop that motor in. It's been a day. I'm tired. It's been a week. Just getting busier and busier, but it's been good. All right. So we're gonna get this thing uncovered today, get the motor dropped in her. We gotta get her hooked up and the engine room clean. There it is. Let's get her ready for summer. Summer fun. Might have to take a layer off, so it's getting warm. Black one. You gonna tell them the story how we got the boat? How I hookered you out? No. Have you been on camera yet, Say? Have you showed your face? No. You want me to tell the story? So we sold our Glastron and we were looking for a boat, and I knew I wanted a Baja, and so I was just on the interweb looking everywhere, and this one came on Craigslist in Virginia for $2,800. So obviously you think it's a scam right away. $2,800 for a Baja. So I called the guy, and it was during Hurricane Matthews. It was just south of him. He was in Virginia Beach. It was just south of him, but his parking lot was flooded. And I was surprised he answered the phone. So I was like, I'm calling about the Baja. And he goes, yep, it's for sale. He told me about it. He flips them. He fixes them up and flips them. And he goes, this one I just don't have time to do. And I said, listen, I can't get down there until next weekend. I'll send you $500 deposit. He goes, nope, I'll save it for you. I said, all right, I'll be down there Saturday morning. So I got everything ready, and we left at like 2 o'clock Friday afternoon. We got to him at 5 o'clock Saturday morning, Virginia Beach from Maine. I drove all night. We slept for like a couple hours in his parking lot, waiting for him to get there. Barely looked at the boat. I just looked at it, said, yep, that's what I wanted. Hooked it up. We were back on the road, and we showed up back here I pulled in this dooryard midnight Saturday night. We just turned and burned. So it's a 2008 192 Baja Islander. It had the 4.3 in it, Merc Cruiser 4.3 with the Alpha 1 Gen 2, and it was in horrible shape. It was a runner, but the carburetor was bad on it. I knew it was. The seller told me it was. We drove, so me and Sarah took it down to the lake, right? And it was what, October? Mm-hmm. And I backed the truck and boat into the water, launched the boat, left the truck, backed right into the water. We took it for a ride, got to the end of the lake, and it died. And I'm like, crap. My truck was running and everything because I was just doing a quick trip. Boom, back. And I looked, and of course the carburetor's like the float stuck, and it's just pouring water in. Gas into the carburetor. I was ready to get on the horn and call my friends to come get my truck and at least get it out of the way. But it fired back up, and we drove back and hauled it. And I mean, that first test run, we were friggin' in love, even though it almost left us stranded. So we put it in the garage. Jesus, what did I do? We did full new interior, new seats, new cushions. I went right through the drive, new gimbal bearing, gimbal bearing, bellows, water pump. I took the carburetor and I put a 4-barrel on it. It was Edelbrock carburetor. Lower shift cable, new battery, the power trim bracket was rusted. It had 10 layers of bottom paint on it. I took it off the trailer, sanded it all off, and then then I put the Black Widow bottom paint, buffed it probably about 3 times. That's how faded it was. Inside and out. It's still got like some gel coat cracks I need to fix. This will be our third. This will be our third summer with it. And there was absolutely nothing wrong with the 4.3. The 4.3 went good, ran good, never left us stranded or anything for 2 summers. Always fired up, but more power. I like more power. It's not too bad in here. A little cleaning, and then I can drop that motor in. It's a little degreasing. Got the black flies though are out in full force. Black fly season in Maine. That's our 6th or 7th seasons we have. We got winter.
Mm-hmm. Mud season.
Mud season. That's 2.
Black fly season.
Black fly, mosquito, that's ticks.
Mm-hmm.
Summer. No, brown tail moth.
Oh yeah, don't forget that. That's new.
Summer. Fall. And then usually get a little summer in fall.
Oh, that's right.
Winter. And then it starts all over. All right, you can see the new seats. Those are all brand new. The helm. The depth finder does not work. I want to replace that. We put a new stereo in it. These are all new cushions up here that we store in the basement, but these are all new here and here. We've got this new cushion, and the sun deck is all been recovered. Sorry, the black flies are getting me. So I just got a little cleanup here. Got to do something with the engine mounts because the engine mounts will move forward. Yeah, there's some funky things about this boat that I don't care about, like the anchor lockers in the back. The deck drains drain right there. And so all the crap goes right in here, but I'll put the wife right on to cleaning that up. New speakers. What else? I didn't do a new steering wheel. But yeah, it's not bad in here. We'll be able to drop that motor in pretty good. This is a 2008. I paid $2,800 for this thing. By the time the buddy that drove down with me, there was two of us, two drivers. By the time I got back with tolls and paying him and food and whatever, I paid for everything. I had $4,000 in this boat. And then after all the work, we were about $7,500 that first summer we used it. Oh, getting down. I'm getting down. One-handed. This is crazy. Off the bow. I had to do trailer work. The trailer was horrible. The cross members on the trailer were rotted out. The tires, it had oil fill hubs, which was awesome because I went down with like wheel bearings and spare tires and everything. So if we got stranded, and we got down there and the trailer made it all the way home, but the back cross member on the trailer was dragging on the ground when I pulled into our driveway. So last year I ended up putting it on this other trailer. But yeah, take a look. It's yellow. See what is really faded. Like, I don't know if the camera probably doesn't show it, but you can almost see like a little bit of discoloration. The whole boat was like that, and I buffed the hell out of it. The stickers came out. I mean, it just looks good. I put new main registration stickers on it. What else did I do, hon? The bottom, look how nice the bottom looks. It's just clean. I think it's two layers. And then the trailer I got off my grandfather for like $300, and I just had to put lights on it and new tires and wheels. But I mean, it's like a 5-inch friggin' box frame, heavy duty trailer, like way more rugged than this boat needs. But there ain't no place we can't go. I don't want my butt showing. Do you have it on me, or? I'm the star here. Focus on me, not the boat. The boat's not the star.
Oh, God.
You missed it. She like jumps on the plastic and stuff. Friggin' hooligan. I was gonna say something else, but I don't remember what it was. Oh, so yeah, the boat, it does 45 miles an hour with the 4.3, but I'm hoping for 65 with the V8. Good. It looks good for being stored all winter, doesn't it? Clean. Did we clean it before we put it away?
We did.
All right, I'm gonna drag the hose over and we'll get the cleaning stuff. All I just want to do is the engine room. All right, I've got simple green and I got some mean green. They're both pretty much degreasers. I hate getting up in a boat and forget something. Pretty much the most important part, the hose. Okay. So I guess we're just gonna spray it in there. I didn't read the directions. Oh, it doesn't have a stream.
Is this the mean green or the simple
This
green?
is the mean green, which is probably just simple green. Right, get that in there. Get this a little in there too. Like that. Just trying to. Should grab some gloves. And then got the scrubby. Oh yeah, look at that. You getting that? You getting that on camera, camera girl? Pull the tools off, clean up our fingerprints, and go from there. Cut! All right, if you are watching this right now, if you are seeing me on your